because say a nationwide them have it, TVJ have it too. You must just wait till when we demonstrate and then we will see if you are not to do it.
Ryme Nation family, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is doing good today. So Ryme Nation family, there is a voice note making its rounds on social media exposing Icival Cherry Brown, councillor for the Grovetown Division, Ryme Nation family. In this voice note, an individual from her constituency states that Cherry Brown allegedly collected money from Andre, a member of her constituency in a Ryme Nation family, to deliver a farm work card or to sell him a farm work card. And she didn't deliver the farm work card to that individual Ryme Nation family. If these allegations are true, Cherry Brown needs to be investigated and arrested. And the question is, how many times have she done this before? Last time I checked in a Ryme Nation family, farm work cards were free to be issued to members of the public. So, right about now, I'm going to continue to listen to this voice note. Leave your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section and tell me what you think about this one. And if this is your first time viewing the Ryme Nation channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Whenever you guys subscribe to the channel, helps the channel to grow and helps you to push your channel out there.
One thing doing, you see this video? And me tell them for video because me tell you and the whole world knows say me a open packet. And me care zero. Me no hold nobody no obligation. At time for all you pack up and go because you're a very wicked woman. You're a very wicked woman. Me no know where you hate Adian from. Me no know where you hate all Mr. Chin enough Mr. Chin do. I go through say me no know cause me no craving and licky. At time for you pack up and go cause you're very greedy. You're all for yourself enough. When me highlight, when me get the rundown, enough things, I know, I may prove, say you're wicked. So for me video, yes, me, I'm send it to you. I not change panny. I'm send it to you. You who are me, you know who are me, I know who are you. Make sure say you have Andre money with for the farm work. Andre money. Make sure say you have Andre money for the farm work yard. Where you're selling money, you know, get the where you take the money and you know have you know get the enough you do. Enough things are leak out. Enough things are leak out. So this your video, I just the start of the kata is a wicked woman. You're very greedy. You're very greedy. After one time you have the man pan ground and say yes, you will work with him on a plat up show. You can't have eyes for near mouth now. For near mouth now. They don't know you dump him. You dump him. Enough you do, you're too wicked. You have to change your deeds. And karma go reach you. And if you not take you, we take your picking here, you're picking them. Let me tell you this. If nobody, me not give nobody no message for give you. And me advice message you yourself. And not changing at this. Not changing at this. You're wicked. You're very wicked. You're very wicked. You're a wicked woman. You're hard for yourself. You're very greedy. Very greedy. And one of the wickedest women I ever come across, or everybody ever come across. You're wicked, Cherry Brown. You're wicked. May I tell you, say you're wicked. No make nobody tell you, say me tell you. May I tell you this, you're wicked. You're wicked. You're wicked. Enough money you get for the work. And you're hungry God no more know what you do with the money. You know what me proof say you're dangerous? The time when you give me the road work. And you send me for your money, and when me get extra amount of money, you call me and say me fi carry the money come give you. They have me up for that. And I know only me alone that happened to all Tony Brass.
Tony Brass!
Yes, We are here all about the money them we are sending a people account to go draw. People used to go collect their little money.
What?
You're tappy. You collect money. You're greedy. You're tappy.
You know what, Miss Warren? I really see what people was talking about. You see, anytime you can't get your way or if you rule somebody and if you then do exactly what you say, and them suddenly become an enemy. But guess what? You choose to make an enemy of me, fine. Because guess what? I don't need you. You are not the only counselor. You are not the only person who can carry a big sign up something. You are not the only person in this world. So if you want, that is your business. More than you know when you are grown, yeah, Mr. Ives, do not come and gate. You say for me 15 voters them, we're all going towards PNP. You can do what you want to do because I will not work or vote underneath you again.